If you want to add a pencil sketch effect to a photo in Canva, then this video is for you, because I have two options or two methods in Canva that allows you to create this effect to any photo that you have. So this is called pencil effect, and actually Canva doesn't have any native filter or feature that allows you to do that, but we can utilize some apps available in Canva to achieve this effect. So this is one example that I created, but of course there are two methods and you will decide which one that is going to look best for your photo. So the first method is we are going to use an app called Photo to Sketch. So first you have to upload your photo, or you can use any photo from the Canva library. I'm going to use this photo. And then let's go to apps and then search for Photo to Sketch. That is the name of the app that we are going to use for the first method. This is the app. Click on it and click open. Okay, so we have this tiny area where we can adjust the setting for the sketch effect. So the filter strength is somewhere between 1 to 5. By default it is 3, and usually 3 is kind of good enough, but I'm going to reduce it to 2. And I'm going to enable transparent background because this photo has empty background. Because if you do not enable the setting but you have transparent or empty background, then this app will add some little bit of color to the background, which is not what I want. So make sure enable transparent background. When you're done, you can click transform and replace. So this tool or this app will start doing its work, and it will start converting this photo into a pencil sketch photo, which is going to look like someone draw the object. So this is the result. By the way, if you're not happy with the setting and you want to adjust the setting further, then I do recommend to click undo first. You don't immediately change the setting and then transform it again. You have to undo, so the photo will turn back to the original version, and then you can start fine-tune the setting later. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Anyway, I'm going to use the previous setting, and this is the photo that we got. So it's not quite a pencil sketch because pencil usually doesn't have a very contrasting black color. So we want to reduce the color, the black color of this photo a bit. Click on it, go to edit, and on the adjust section right here, I'm going to reduce the blacks. So it's not going to be as bold as it used to, and you want to increase the white a little bit. You can play around with other settings, but usually the whites and blacks are good enough to create a pencil sketch effect. So that was for the first method. The second method is going to be a little bit different, and you probably going to get a better result. So let's move on. Okay, I'm going to use the same photo again. Let's go to apps, and this time around we are going to use an app called Photo Stylist. Apologize. Yeah, Photo Stylist, that's the name of the app. Click on it and click open. So the way it works is actually a bit different. We cannot just click on a photo and then generate a sketch. It's not possible. We have to manually upload the photo to this tool, and we actually have to decide what style that we are going to copy. So we have to decide, we have to pick a photo that we want to copy its style. And that being said, we have to add another page, and I'm going to visit elements first, and I'm going to search for pencil sketch. I just want to get some inspiration about the style that I want to copy. Okay, there are a lot of options, but I guess I'm going to use maybe this one. Yeah, this one looks great. And I'm going to set it as a background. Now I'm going to download this photo. Okay, just photo. Okay, click done and download again. Okay, we are not done yet. We have to download this photo as well. So I have to click share, download, and just the page number 3 done, and click download. Okay, now the photos has been downloaded. We can go back to Photo Stylist, and we can upload our photo and our style that we want to copy. All right, I have uploaded these two photos. This is the photo that I want to turn into a pencil sketch. Well, this photo is going to be the style that I want to copy. When you have uploaded these two images, you can click generate image, and this tool will copy the style from the sample photo, and then we'll apply that to your photo that you want to turn into a pencil sketch effect. And there you go. So this is the effect that we got. This is basically copying the style from the photo that we just feed the tool to copy, and this is the result. So yeah, as you can see, you can still go to edit and adjust some settings, some coloring to make the pencil sketch look a bit more realistic. You can do that, but that's basically it. So anyway, that's basically two methods you can try to create a pencil sketch effect in Canva.